We make ceramic grid tiles that go into commercial heating, residential heating, space heating, and primarily the cooking industries. My name's Tyler. I'm a mechanical engineering technologist at Apogee Ceramics. I am a product designer, so any new product that comes in, I design it, the tooling, and I have a hand in the process bringing it to the production level. I began as a project assistant, and I now manage 6 of my own projects and have several employees under me. Some skills that are very important are problem solving, teamwork, and communication. My favorite part about the job is the unknown, is facing challenges and working to overcome them.
Here at Wade Antenna, I build communications antennas. We send them off to the Navy, the Army, we do airports. Hi, I'm Kim. I'm an assembler at Wade Antenna. We build a big variety of antennas. You'll probably find our antennas on quite a few prominent defense buildings, ones that will go on Coast Guard ships, and even the North Pole. We have an antenna that's called an Arctic antenna. I feel my job is important. It's helping out our Canadian national defense and American defense and spreading all over to the UK now too. I like working in manufacturing, especially here. We move around, we make a lot of decisions on our own when we're doing stuff.
At Iceman Systems, we make steel building products for mid-rise construction. Hi, my name's Annie and I work at Iceman Systems. I came to iSPAN with literally no training, and since I've been here I've gotten my welder certificate, I have a forklift license, I've got my overhead crane license, and it's a lot of training on the go and a lot of learning. I love working with my hands. I love getting dirty, I love putting my back into my work and putting in a good day's work. I love how it feels to have something at the end of the day where you've produced it and it's like, hey, drive past a building and like, I made that. It's such a cool feeling. As a female, it's also very empowering to be here and to show that, hey, I can do this just as well as you can.
We do offer employment opportunities for high school students, which has resulted in hiring a few over the summer.
I think manufacturing is a great thing to get into, really.
It's totally worth trying it. It's something that you can absolutely find your place and learn a lot of skills along the way.